is Waltham Farm Day. It's a mixture of a celebration of Massachusetts Harvest for Students Week and also just a celebration of farming in Waltham in general. We're the last farm in Waltham, so figure it's a good reason to have a celebration.
We found all these potatoes and we got them out of the garden over there, and we like picking them for the Waltham Public School.
This event was the brainchild of a few different organizations working together. It was Waltham Fields Community Farm, in addition to Healthy Waltham and the Mayor's Office and the Waltham Public Schools. So it's been a real sort of partnership, getting all the pieces together.
Mama, should I make this stem green?
But so all of these fields, these like 10 rows here are all red. So feel free to go in.
You've been chosen. Go unafraid. I'll go with you. John the Baptist.
No! It's so delicious.
So these guys get a little cranky this time of year. This is the honey. It's just capped honey. This couldn't be better to just really have a wonderful day and open the farm up to the community. There's a lot of people here that got flyers sent home through the schools in a partnership with Healthy Waltham, and it's really nice to see all these families come out who have never been here before, even though this farm is in their community.